keyboards were weapons, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro would be a glowing warhammer wrapped in RGB. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. The BlackWidow V4 Pro is a mechanical monster and one of Razer's most feature-packed creations to date. Built for serious PC gamers, the BlackWidow V4 Pro doesn't just light up your setup, it commands it. At the heart of the board is the command dial, a multifunction knob that lets you tweak everything, from brightness and volume to zoom, tap switching, and media control. And you don't have to touch your mouse for any of them. Need speed or silence? Choose between Razer's iconic clicky green switches or their quieter yellow mechanical switches, both delivering satisfying tactile feedback and precise input. A must-have for fast-paced competitive gaming. But the customization doesn't stop there. The V4 Pro has 8 dedicated macro keys, adjustable polling rates from 125Hz to 8,000Hz, and intense chroma RGB lighting that practically turns your gaming room into a sci-fi movie set. The RGB is so powerful it'll light up a dark room. Seriously. And before you think, no, it's not wireless, it connects via USB-A. But that's likely intentional because all that lighting and high-speed response needs serious power. With premium double-shot ABS keycaps, unmatched customization, and gamer-first ergonomics, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro isn't just a gaming keyboard, it's a game changer. Are you into RGB keyboards? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.